3號強風信號現正生效，預料本港平均風速每小時係41至到62公里。強烈熱帶風暴蝴蝶已減弱為熱帶風暴。喺下晝嘅5點，蝴蝶集結喺香港之西南偏西，大約係420公里，即係北緯21.5度，東經110.2度附近。預料向東北移動，時速大約28公里，橫過廣東同埋廣西交界一帶。蝴蝶喺過去幾個鐘頭有所減弱，但隨住蝴蝶向東北移動，與其相關嘅強風區亦都逐漸影響珠江口一帶。現時本港多處吹強風，西部高地間中吹烈風，而蝴蝶嘅外圍雨帶正為廣東沿岸帶嚟狂風驟雨。預料蝴蝶會喺明早於本港西北大約300公里左右掠過。3號強風信號會至少維持至聽日中午。除非蝴蝶喺廣東內陸維持較高強度，並且採取較為接近珠江口嘅路徑，否則改發8號信號機會甚低。按照現時嘅預測，隨住蝴蝶逐漸遠離同埋減弱，本港明日下午風力會逐步緩和。雖然星期一同埋星期二蝴蝶已經逐漸消散，但活躍西南氣流會為廣東沿岸帶嚟大驟雨，市民請保持警惕。海面有大浪同埋湧浪，市民請遠離岸邊並停止所有水上活動。過去1個鐘頭，昂坪、青洲、橫瀾島分別錄得嘅最高持續風速每小時65、58、51公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時107、81同埋61公里。
The strong wind signal number 3 is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 km per hour are expected. Severe tropical storm Wu Tip has weakened into a tropical storm. At 5 p.m., Wu Tip was estimated to be about 420 km west-southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 21.5 degrees north, 110.2 degrees east, and is forecast to move northeast at about 28 km per hour. Across the vicinity of the boundary of Guangdong and Guangxi, Wu Tip weakened in the past few hours, but its associated strong winds also affected the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary gradually as Wu Tip moved northeastwards. Locally, strong winds are prevailing over many places, occasionally reaching gale force on high ground in the western part of the territory. The outer rain bands of Wu Tip are also bringing squally showers to the coast of Guangdong. Wu Tip is expected to skirt around 300 kilometers to the northwest of Hong Kong tomorrow morning. The strong wind signal, number 3, will remain in force at least until noon tomorrow, unless Wu Tip maintains a higher intensity over inland areas of Guangdong and adopts a track closer to the Pearl River estuary. The chance of issuing the signal number 8 is rather low. According to the present forecast, with Wu Tip moving away from Hong Kong and weakening gradually, local winds will moderate progressively tomorrow afternoon. Although Wu Tip will dissipate gradually on Monday and Tuesday, an active southwesterly airstream will bring heavy showers to the coast of Guangdong. Members of the public should stay on the alert. Seas are rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Nong Ping, Green Island, and Waglan Island were 66, 58, and 51 km per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 107, 81, and 61 km per hour respectively.